Hi, it's me, Slimy French Fries. Well, today's video is going to be get to know. I'm not going to say my real name, but Slimy French Fry 101. So today it's going to be about me. Okay, one is, well, it's my first video. So one is that I am in grade 4. I'm 9. And yeah, so, and I love unicorns and slime. Oh, yeah, and I'll show you my slime that I made. No, actually, my friend Precious made it, but it is yogurt slime. It is very beautiful. And my other, account is me, unboxing things, showing you reviews. But here, it's back to get to know me. I love unicorn slime, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you can see, I like Pikachu. Yeah, I love Beanie Boos. I love the Cheshire Cat, which is this guy, just right there. So, I just have these pictures here. And I have very good fashion taste. Oh, not today, really. I'm just wearing black leggings and a shirt. Yeah. And I love cute hats, headbands. I like scarves. I like shoes. I love shoes. Okay, so here is my first love shoes. Okay, so I love these shoes so much. I wear them every day. And then I got pink ribbons over there. I wear. So I love talking about myself. I don't know why I was kind of selfish. I don't know. But I have a lot of friends. Oh yeah, and next Friday I'm gonna be making a vlog at my friend's house. I'm going home with her. So it's our sleepover. And I think I just broke my jaw. I'm kidding. But yeah, I like floppy backpacks, My favorite stores are Justice, Claire's, or Dean's, Foot Locker, and clothes stores. And I don't know if this is weird or not. It's actually not weird, but I love Pushins. I have so many Pushins. This one I got at Comic-Con. It's so cute. I can't even prove to you that this is a Pushin. Look at that. And oh yeah, and I love squishy so much. My best friend gave this to me. And I have a lot of slime. This one is very sticky because I just had a little lotion to it. And yeah, today, no, I said today, but my favorite food is pizza cake. I love ice cream so much. And I like Starbucks stuff. I like the vanilla bean frappuccino. No coffee in it. I don't like coffee. But yeah. And my favorite, I don't know, movies. No, shows. My favorite show it is Full House. They're taking it off on February 15th, and it's the 10th, and I'm only on season 7, episode 8 or something, and there's 23 episodes, so I have to catch up. And I got slime in my hair because I was just talking to my friend a couple minutes ago, but I don't know, I have slime in my hair. But yeah, so that's the end. Tomorrow, I'll be making a vlog. I'll wake up in the morning and I'll do my stuff. And then I'll be doing my videos every Saturday, Sunday, Friday, and Thursday. And stay tuned and subscribe, Slimies. Bye. Actually, no. That's a weird name, Slimies. Okay, yeah. Bye, Slimies.